This is the Chameleon tuner, and when you insert the battery, the light starts flashing and it tunes. You can jog it. So it's going to go together on the antenna in just a moment. So here's what has to happen. We have to take the Delrin knob off right there. We take off these two screws on the end. We put this plate on with supplied hardware in the bag, and away we go. Okay, all right, so here we are. We've put on the metal plate, we've put on the two fastening screws for the motor assembly. And now through the thing in the bottom, this slot right here, we're going to line up and tighten up the shaft bearing. Now with the tune motor plugged in and attached to your motor, gently jog and look for the screw to line up. And there it is. Take the supplied Allen wrench and go in there and tighten up the tool. Okay, after you've tightened the first of two set screws up, remove your Allen wrench and go back into rotating the antenna, looking for the next one. And there it is. And I'm now going to tighten it up. Okay, so one of the interesting things you'll notice about the tuning is I'm tuning, it has that kind of a sound. And when I reach the end of the traveling range, the sound changes to something like this. That's the end of the range. So now we're going to go install the antenna outside and see what happens. Okay, so hello again. So tuning this is a bit of a touch. You can see me jogging it. It goes away. You can tune through it and miss it. Tune back the other way. There it went. Now jog it and check your SWR. Looks pretty low. So now let's turn the power up. Give it about 5 watts. And it looks good. So that was the tuning for a 20-meter signal. Let's see what happens if we can work somebody. All right, so now here we are. About 20 watts out. And let's see if we can call somebody with 20 watts. I'm also using the Power Compensator. Let me walk out here and show you the setup. It's a balcony mount. And there's just not a whole lot going on here. Just that's the whole thing. And it mounts on a C-clamp in the balcony. And it works fairly well. What can I say? We're going to go back here. I hear somebody calling CQ. And see if we can't work them. The 1 watt. Okay, so here we go. The jog works really quite nicely, as you can see. All done, tuned up on 17.